please go to your nearest Walmart and get you one of these. Okay. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I am Nishay. Welcome. If not, thank you for tuning back in. I appreciate you. So I am back with another product review, and this time I will be trying the NIZORAL Scalp Psoriasis Shampoo and Conditioner. This video is not sponsored. I actually purchased this product with my money. 18 bucks at Wally World, okay? This review will be 100% honest. I actually really like the packaging because on the back of the box, it gives a brief description of what scalp psoriasis is. It describes scalp psoriasis as a chronic inflammatory condition that comes and goes. Symptoms include irritation, itching, redness, and flaking. I like. The active ingredient is 3% salicylic acid. So remember the last product I tried actually had pyrithione zinc, I think that's how you pronounce it, Lord, as the active ingredient, which my scalp did not take too well to. I, however, know that salicylic acid works for me. It works for my scalp. It's the same active ingredient in the sulfur 8 products, and I tend to use sulfur 8 a lot when I have protective styles such as twists, braids. You've seen it before in my mini twist maintenance video, and I absolutely love that braid spray. It also explains how their products work to combat scalp psoriasis. It controls redness, flaking, and scaling, relieves itching and scalp irritation. It also says it is fast working and starts working from the first use. It's sulfate dye and alcohol free and contains tea tree oil. Y'all know I love me some tea tree oil. It does say that it is a shampoo and conditioner. However, in this video, I will not be using it as a substitute for both my shampoo and conditioner because we know better. NIZORAL contains maximum strength medicine to relieve and help prevent scalp psoriasis, seborrheic dermatitis symptoms while leaving the hair clean and conditioned. The special formula contains tea tree oil, green tea, and vitamins E, C, and B5. It is free of artificial fragrances, preservatives, and dyes that may irritate the skin. As always, if you are unsure about whether a product is good for your skin or may irritate your skin or is okay for your scalp or skin, please consult a dermatologist. First, to make sure that you have the condition that you think you may have, and then to make sure the product is okay to use for your condition. So for the smell, I actually really like the smell of this product. It's natural but pleasant. You can definitely smell the tea tree oil in there, but it's not overbearing. It doesn't smell over medicated. The tea tree is actually really mild. To be honest, it actually reminds me of ginger ale. Yeah, I'm not mad at it. I like it. It's not bad. It's a clear consistency, obviously no dyes. It's not very thick and will easily run through your fingers if you're not careful when dispensing it. Now let's get to this review. Before I go in with the product, I want to show you guys my scalp. I have recently been dealing with a psoriasis flare-up, and because of the severity of this flare-up, I decided that I really needed a medicated shampoo to help calm the irritation and soreness and to remove the flakes. I am using a fine-tooth comb to lift the flakes from my scalp. Please do not actually do this to lift the flakes from your scalp. I am only doing this for demonstration purposes, but as a result of the scraping, my scalp did get red and irritated. There are psoriasis patches all over my head, but I felt the most soreness and irritation around my hairline. Let's see, y'all. It's low-key giving a little bit of Selsun blue in the bottle, but that's okay. We're here for it. So I'm going to go in with my apple cider vinegar rinse. This is what I'm going to use to wet my hair a little bit and help soothe my scalp and begin the cleansing process. And then I'm going to go right on top of it with this shampoo. And then I apply the pre-poo directly to my scalp. It's good to use a spray bottle that has the option for a stream nozzle so that you get the ACV rinse directly onto your scalp. I then massage it into my scalp and work it through my hair. Next, I squeeze some of the shampoo into my hand and then apply it directly to my scalp using my fingertips while holding the ends of my hair taut. This is a great application method to use to get product directly onto your scalp while minimizing tangles in your hair. I probably spend around 2 minutes on a section, then clip it back up, and I continue this method all over my head. I spray the ACV rinse pre-poo onto this section and repeat the shampoo application technique. I pay special attention to the areas where the psoriasis patches are and spend a little extra time massaging the shampoo into those areas.
I'm not feeling any tingly sensation. That's different. I don't think I've ever used a tea tree product that didn't make my scalp tingle.
Here's my scalp right after applying the shampoo. The flakes are gone and my scalp immediately looks less white and irritated. Here's my scalp immediately post-rinse. My scalp and hair are clean and there are no flakes. Although the camera makes my scalp look kind of red in some spots, it didn't look that red in person. You can see I'm scraping and there are no flakes lifting from my scalp. There's no itch and no tightness. My hair is still shiny and doesn't look dull or feel stripped. My scalp feels cleansed.
The psoriasis patches are still there, but they're not flaking or dry right now. The shampoo definitely removed the flakes. My scalp, it doesn't feel dry right now. It doesn't feel tight. It doesn't feel irritated. It seems like the shampoo really did what it was supposed to do. So final thoughts. I am officially making this a staple in my hair regimen, at least until I can get this flare up under control. I've actually used it about 2 or 3 more times since I initially recorded this footage. And y'all, it's awesome. It's really good. My hair doesn't feel stripped. My scalp feels clean. It doesn't get tight or irritated. My hair doesn't feel dry or dull. It's a really good shampoo. I think this is a really good staple product to have. So if you have scalp psoriasis, please head to your nearest Walmart and purchase you a bottle of this. Although the bottle ain't too pretty, it is a good size. You get a lot of product in here, so it should last a long time. This is probably gonna last me a year, at least. If you have any questions, please leave them down below. Oh, and before I go, I know it's been long overdue. How do you guys feel about a giveaway? I think it's time. So let me know down below in the comments any products that you've seen on my channel that you would like to receive as a giveaway goodie. It's time for me to give back to y'all the love that you've been giving to me and my channel, and y'all still being here with my inconsistent behind, but that is going to change in 2023, God willing. I will of course keep you updated on what is going on up here. Okay, but this is really how I've been rocking it because, well, talk about that in another video. But thank you all so much for watching. I appreciate all the love. Thank you all so much for your support and your encouragement. And I will see you in my next video. God bless.